In this video, we will learn how to use cURL with PHP. cURL is a tool to transfer data to or from a server. It supports the protocol including HTTP, FTP, IMAP, POP3, SCP, SMTP, Telnet, and others. You may need to install and enable the cURL extension to use it. First, I'm going to check if the cURL extension is loaded or not. First, I will add a PHP tag, starting tag, and the ending tag, and then if condition, if not extension loaded curl. This means if the curl is not loaded, then we can exit the script by calling die function and printing something such as curl is not loaded. And after that, we can start the code to create a new curl resource and assign to a variable which will be the handle of the resource. That will be curl, and we will call curl init to initialize it and get the handle. And after this, set the URL and other options. It will be curl underscore set op for options, and I will pause this curl variable and curl options URL. That means we are going to pass in URL. You can use any URL. I will pass in Google, and then it will be https google.com. And now I can execute and pass the result to the browser by calling curl exec for execute and pass in our curl handle curl. And after the execute function, we can close the curl resource by calling curl close method and then pass again the curl. This is a very simple example, and we can save and run this script. I added www in front of Google, else you will get a message the page is moved. Now I'm going to execute this script. We can type on my system is localhost, and then our script name, that is curl example. And just hit enter. And this is the output of it. So this way you can use curl in PHP. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.